Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is electoral bond. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is set to lead a Supreme Court 5-judge bench hearing petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the centre's electoral bond scheme. Now let's discuss what are electoral bonds. The electoral bond system was introduced in 2017 by way of a finance bill and it was implemented in 2018. They serve as a means for individuals and entities to make donations to registered political parties while maintaining donor anonymity. Usually they are sold in denominations of Rs 1,000, Rs 10,000, Rs 1 lakh, Rs 10 lakh and Rs 1 crore. The bonds can be bought from authorized SBI branches through accounts complying with KYC norms. The political parties can encash the bonds within 15 days of receiving them and fund their electoral expenses. The bonds can only be purchased between 10-day windows falling in the months of January, April, July and October. Now moving on to eligibility of political parties. Only the political parties registered under Section 29A of the Representation of the People Act 1951 can receive electoral bonds. The parties must have secured not less than 1% of the votes polled in the last general election to the House of the People or the Legislative Assembly. Now let's discuss about purchase and encashment. Electoral bonds can be purchased digitally or through checks. Encashment only through an authorized bank account of the political party. Parties must disclose their bank account with the Election Commission of India, and political parties are obligated to explain the utilization of the funds received. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the electoral bonds. 1. Usually sold in denominations of Rs 1,000, Rs 10,000, Rs 1 lakh, Rs 10 lakh and Rs 1 crore. 2. Only the political parties registered under Section 29A of the Representation of the People Act 1951 can receive electoral bonds. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.